Howdy GT40 fans, at least in cartoon form. We're going to talk about this one here. It's Choro-Q. I've been collecting these things for a little bit now, and I rather like them. I like their comical appearances. And I got this loose. Oh, yeah, it's used for sure. Seems to have a melt mark, so that's too bad. What's nice is I've never seen these wheels before on any of my other Choro-Qs, and then they painted them orange like a Gulf livery. And then they actually have a printing here of the 40, and the stripe looks good too. These aren't stickers or decals, it's literally a tampo print. If we go to the front here, some silver in these fog lights. Unfortunately the plastic wasn't molded. Oh, that's just paint, I guess. Alright. Some black paint in the recesses, and then there's no cover here. It's just a, illusion. But anyways, it works. Painted headlights there. A single well, technically 3 stripes running down the middle. There's a little NACA duct here and here and here, these tiny ducts. Ooh, unfortunately that's messed up as well there. The fuel filler cap there. The little snorkels in the back. And no color there, but they are recessed, the little intakes. You can see hopefully you can see the canopy is dark smoked, but if not, you can see it through the bottom here. So you can see the pick moving. I think this whole body might be this whole smoked clear, and then they painted all the white on top of it. So it's really well done how this Takara company paints these pieces of plastic. So looks pretty good. On the back we have one set of tail lights here painted red, and then for some reason some black here for these ducts, but I don't recall any sort of ducts up there. So I think this casting might be a mix of the various GT40s, because I think the Mk2 is the only one that has rear snorkels here in the back, but you'll see that the side intakes are different on that Kyosho Mk2. I'm just curious, I'm looking here. 2003 is this copyright, so you can see the gear mechanism there. It's like a penny racer. So pretty neat, GT40 is such an iconic car. And now that I have the Kyosho, the realistic Kyosho one, I thought it'd be cool to have this cartoon version. Unfortunately, this thing's been played with or abused, but I mean it is almost 20 years old, so you can't expect the world. Or you can pay a lot more money and get it brand new and packaged if you can find it on eBay. Alright, well, there's the comparison there. So you can see the side intakes of this gold Kyosho, there's 2 of them on each side. But the way that this Choro-Q is done, it looks like a different version of the GT40. Maybe the Mark 1 or the Mark 3. But, and then those, yeah. Alright, let's get this out of the way, let this spin on its own. So a nice cartoonish addition to my cartoonish collection of Choro-Qs. And so if you like this sort of stuff, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you around.